Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the market is open and as expected, market is behaving like a typical Monday market. There is not much volume, there is not much activity going on. If you look at the economic calendar, you'll see that market will be more slow because of bank holidays. You can see here we have bank holiday on US and Canada, so market will be slower. Usually we don't get to see much volume during the first half of Monday, and by the US session we get to see volume coming in. But today I think the market will be slower in US session as well. So traders, be careful with your US dollar position. Try to avoid breakout or breakdown trades, because for breakout or breakdowns, what do we need? We need volume, and volume may be missing. And if volume is missing and market is going for breakout, then there's a chance of false breakout. Okay, so be careful. And if you look at the chart of DXY US dollar index, then because of lack of volume, dollar index failed to cross the previous high of 104.30, and we can see the dollar index is going down. But as I said on Saturday, if market forms red candles also, keep in mind fundamentally and technically DXY is bullish right now. So this is just a retracement, not trend reversal. Trend reversal is a different stuff. Okay, so we need to plan our trades accordingly. Market is just going for retracement, and when DXY will be going up again, there's a high chance that next time DXY will be able to break the previous high and it will be forming a new high. So let's wait and watch. Now let's look at the chart of gold. My dear friends, if you have watched my video on Saturday, then you can clearly see that overall levels are still very much intact. Okay, there is not much change on the chart, so the levels are still very much valid. We can see that right now market is standing at the trend line, which has been acting as a dynamic resistance at market standing at 1944 right now. If market starts falling, the best support on the chart is still around 1925 to 1926. This is the best support on the chart of gold. I have explained previously multiple times, so I do not want to repeat it and bore you again. But yes, if market goes down, we can expect the market to bounce around this area. If market takes support and bounces, we can definitely look for a buy around this level. On the other hand, we have some resistance or some sellers sitting around 1955 to 1952. So if market goes up from here, from the current level here, we can expect that sellers around this area, okay, will not allow the market to go up that easily. If market reverses, if you see price rejection from above, if you see market struggling around this area, will give you the confirmation that sellers are still present and you can look for a sell position. You can see that I'm sitting on 4 hours time frame. Confirmation on 4 hours, okay, is very slow. Okay, you can simply switch to 15 minutes time frame or 1 hour time frame just to check whether there is price rejection or not. Once you see market is reversing, you can simply go for a sell around 50 to 53, 55 level. And as I have already said in my previous videos, that if market breaks 1955, we can look for a buy, because above 1955 we do not have any immediate resistance, and the next resistance is around 1965. But today, if market goes above 1955, try to avoid, because as I have already said, that volume is extremely important for any market to cross a particular level. If the same volatility remains throughout the day, then try to look for reversal trades today instead of breakout or breakdowns. Okay, so if market breaks 1955 by tomorrow, day after tomorrow with volume, then you can go for it, but today try to avoid a breakout trade. The overall trend of gold may be towards the downside, present trend may be towards the upside, but today we need to play with volatility. We need to understand that today's market situation and trade accordingly. So my dear traders, be flexible. And due to lack of volume, there is not much opportunity on the chart right now that I can see. And if we move to 15 minutes time frame, okay, then also you can see that we do not have any strong levels. Apart from these two strong price rejections, I don't see any reliable trading opportunities in this particular portion of the chart here. As I always tell you guys that we are traders, not gamblers, so yes, you need to be careful. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. And as you guys already know that the world's most affordable forex trading workshop is back again. Only 2 days left. I conduct a workshop in both Hindi and English language. दोनों language में होता है. If you are interested, if you really want to take trading as a serious source of income, trading as to the next level, you can consider joining the world's most affordable workshop. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. Everything is mentioned on the website. The link is in the description. You can see here, these are the topics that I'll be teaching in 3 days. 3 days workshop, 2 hours every day. The workshop is a part of the Pro Trader program. You can see here, these are the benefits that you'll be receiving after joining the workshop. Okay. You can also see I have shared my story here so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. And there's a questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. As I've already said in my previous videos, that the workshop is not for complete beginners. Okay, the workshop has been designed only for those people who have been struggling with the market, unable to make money for the last couple of months and years. After the 3 days workshop, okay, there will be some weekly sessions also. These are the topics that I'll be teaching in the weekly classes. So total there will be 7 classes, and the dates are 6, 7, 8 for Hindi workshop, 11, 12 and 13 for the English workshop. Everything is mentioned. Okay, after the payment you just need to send a screenshot to this WhatsApp number. Okay, I'll be adding you to the group. And yes, the best part is the fees. You can see here, it's only $15, rupees 1000 for 3 days workshop with 1 month support. And during the 1 month, these are the benefits that you will be receiving. And those who are looking for longer relationship, those who are looking for guidance, mentorship or personal sessions, you can also sign up for 6 months and lifetime support. If you like my work, you can definitely go for this. These are also very much affordable. You can see only $65 for 6 months support, rupees 4000 for Indians, and lifetime support only at $125 or rupees 8000. Okay, these are the benefits you'll be receiving. In lifetime you'll get 6 personal sessions with me, and in semi-annual you'll get 2 personal sessions. So if you like my work, you can definitely consider joining it. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care. And as I always say, my dear friends, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well, so please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Keep in mind, any analysis can go wrong. Okay. But in one single trade, okay, you should not lose your whole capital. You should not lose your whole profit. Risk management is supreme. Probably you guys have also heard it, that market trading is all about 70% psychology, 30% strategy, and that's true. Okay. Trading is all about discipline. Trading is all about risk management. Strategy, okay, strategy is something, okay, that plays a very minor role, because strategies, see, every strategy has an expiry, has a validity. Strategies change from time to time because market changes from time to time. You cannot be dependent on a single strategy. You need to understand the market. You need to understand the market sentiment. Okay, that's it. Bye bye.